Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, how do you create an ultra-realistic AI avatar for your Faceless YouTube channel?
Hi everyone, I'm an AI influencer. What do you think of me? Do I look realistic in this form or maybe in this outfit? Or maybe you'd like to see me change things up with a different style to keep it more interesting?
There are tons of tutorials out there, but how do you actually make an avatar that carries your own traits, with smooth, natural movements, great talking quality, and most importantly, reasonable price?
As you can see, I've been using a secret tool to create this 3D avatar that carries my own facial features. This avatar can walk, talk, move super smoothly, or you can even add clothing to make your avatar look more fun and stylish, or add a few details to the avatar to make it look more interesting. There's so much more to it, and I'll also share some tips to help you get the best results with this tool. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoy this video. Step 1. Create Model AI Influencer. After you log in, you'll see this interface. Click the plus sign to train a new model. Now I'll choose AI Influencer Generator. I'm going with male, age 30, country USA, blue eyes, hairstyle, bob, hair color, honey, face shape, diamond. Okay, now I'll tick the beard box and hit generate. Look at this, pretty good, right? Handsome and realistic. What do you guys think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. You can totally use this feature to create an avatar if you don't want to appear on camera yourself. But if you do want to appear in the video, maybe as a cartoon or 3D style, but still keep your own features, here's how. Upload your image, give it a name and description, then click Create Your Image Model Now. This AI can actually train a model just from a single picture. That's a big plus. After it's created, your model will show up right here. Step 2. Create AI Avatar Image. Now let's build an AI avatar, for example, 3D style. Click Build Your Own, choose Cute 3D. Paste in your prompt to describe how you want your avatar to look, what outfit, what background, what action. Set quantity 2, ratio 16:9, quality ultra, depending on which plan you're using. I'm on the mega plan, so I can choose ultra. Then click generate.
Keep generating until you find the avatar you like. You can also try other art styles like manga, cute comic, anime, realistic, etc. Just make sure to carefully check the details in the image, especially the hands, to see if there are any mistakes. Try different styles you like, then pick the one you're happiest with to make your talking avatar. I like this one and this one. Which one do you like? 10 for 10. The more detailed your prompt, the closer the result. Here are the avatars I generated. Next, I'll click Enlarge to upscale the image, then hit the Generate icon and wait a few seconds. After enlarging, the image actually looks even more handsome. Step 3. Talking Avatar. Once you have the avatar you like, it's time to make it talk. If you don't know how to write a description, don't worry. Just hit the talking avatar icon here. You can upload your audio if you already have one, or just choose Generate Audio. There are different voices available for you to pick from. If you want to use your own voice every time, just click Create Voice Model, upload your original audio, name it, select language, age, gender, add a description, and hit Generate. Then the AI will clone your voice. Pick an emotion, for example, happy. Now you just type your text here. And then click Generate. Let's listen. So, how do you create an ultra-realistic AI avatar for your Faceless YouTube channel? Sounds pretty much like my voice, right? Here, you can also choose camera movement, set the quality, and hit Generate again. Just wait a bit. I'll add one more step. Upscale video to get the best quality possible. But if you're not satisfied with the avatar movements from the Talking Avatar feature and you want to describe the motion yourself for something more natural or just to match your own idea, then choose Generate Image to Video. I'll pick this one and describe the video. Something like, Video prompt example. A calm young man speaks slowly and confidently, maintaining steady eye contact. He blinks naturally. His eyebrows lift gently to emphasize key points. His head tilts slightly as he speaks. I'll put the full prompt on screen so you can screenshot it. Depending on your video, you can add background sound effects or choose a camera movement, then set quality ultra, duration 10, and hit generate. Give it a few seconds. Here's the motion, pretty smooth, right? Now, you've got a video where the avatar moves exactly the way you want. Let's compare the motion from the video generated with my prompt and the one made with Talking Avatar. Personally, I think the video generated from the image and my description feels just a little more natural.
The talking avatar one is good too, it just sometimes looks a bit odd when the avatar looks down or places a hand on the chest. But you can regenerate until you get the version you like best. Easy. When you use the talking avatar feature, the avatar automatically lip syncs to your voice. But with the image to video method earlier, there's no lip sync yet. To fix that, just click this icon. Choose Generate Audio, pick your voice clone, select the emotion, type your script, and hit Generate. Then click Generate again. Don't forget to upscale for the best video quality. Step 5. Subtitles. Finally, you can add subtitles. Just pick the video you added audio to, choose a caption style, and add captions. That's it. You've got both video and subtitles. But if your final video will include a lot of B-roll or extra footage, you can skip this step and bring your AI talking avatar, the A-roll, straight into a video editing software, where you can add more animations, effects, and keyframes, etc. For short-form videos, like product reviews or opinion, this built-in subtitle feature works really well. So, what do you think about the avatar's gestures and motion? Leave me your feedback in the comments below. The link is in the description and comments. And nope, we're not done yet. There are more cool features and tips I want to share. Step 7. Edit image and clothing. Another feature I really like is Edit Image, Edit Clothing. Click here, upload the image you want, and select clothes from the options. Some default outfits aren't great, so I'll upload my own dress and hit Generate. Ta-da! Pretty cool, right? The model looks great, the outfit fits naturally and looks realistic. If I generate it as a video, here's what it looks like. With this feature, you can try on clothes for your avatar and even make TikTok videos with affiliate links for Fashion Shop. But honestly, I recommend only promoting clothes you've actually tested with good material and quality, so your audience gets real, reliable recommendations.
Hey, an idea just popped into my mind. You could use APOB AI to create an AI avatar to review books like me, the ones you've read, truly enjoyed, and want to share with everyone. You can even attach the book link on TikTok or share the Amazon affiliate link. That would be great. Or it could be any physical product that you've genuinely used, experienced, and found valuable. What do you think about this? Drop a comment below and let me know.
Step 8. Chat to edit. You can also chat to edit your image. For example, in this picture, I say, change the background to a beach. A few seconds later, done. He's on a beach. Or make him hold a cat. Hit generate, and boom, now he's holding a cat. Amazing, right? These features help your AI avatar stand out, stay interesting, and capture attention. Thank you so much for watching until now. As a gift, here's a discount code. Just enter LexroAI15 when upgrading this AI tool and you'll get 15% off. Don't miss it. Link is in the video description and pinned comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe so YouTube notifies you whenever I drop a new video. See you in the next one.